Pct.3 This is Matthew Zucker versus WRMC and or Bolden Court. Let's see, we had Callie Towing up here. All right, let's get someone checked in real quick, y'all. Stephanie, I'll let you do your thing.
You're gonna have to unmute, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, what was that? For the Callie Towing? I cannot hear you.
Stephanie, you're breaking up. I can't hear you either.
Okay.
I'm not certain. I heard you great when we were doing check-in, and all of a sudden it's like your audio is going out. All right, well, good morning. You said you're with Callie Towing. Do you have a cause number?
It's J3CV26002341.
2341. Okay.
At 11 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay. That plaintiff is not here yet.
Okay. Fine.
So I got three parties. None of you are all here for the same case.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, we will move forward with our docket then. And so thank you. Tell me your name with Callie Towing.
Nicole Holmes.
Nicole. Holmes, like me, or Holmes?
Like you.
All right. I always find I can tell people, no matter where they're out of the world, like Sherlock, and they remember to spell it correctly. Otherwise, I'm just, Holmes. And I'm like, that's not how it's working. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Our first case today will be 26002331, Matthew David Zeuker versus WRMC and or Bolden Court Condominium Community Incorporated. Do I have someone here on behalf of the plaintiff, Mr. Zeuker? Good morning, sir. You'll need to unmute if you press.
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Am I pronouncing your last name correctly?
Zeuker.
Zeuker. Thank you.
Yes.
All right. And do we have anyone at all on behalf of WRMC or Bolden Court? No, we've not had anyone announced present. Sorry. Some information. Okay, let's see. We've got someone coming in late. Good morning. This is Judge Holmes. If you've just entered and you're marked Charlie, you'll need to unmute and announce present. We'll check you in. We're about to begin court. Good morning, sir.
Present.
Tell me what your name is.
Charles Zerwanka.
All right. I think you're a plaintiff in another matter.
Okay. Should I?
No, you're at the right spot. Don't go anywhere. You can put yourself back on mute. You're going to be my third tow hearing this morning, so we will reach your case. All right.
Okay.
Fantastic. All right, Mr. Zeuker, you're here. We've not had anyone announce or arrive on behalf of the defendant. It is now 10:51. We've actually let any parties check in for about 20 minutes. So at this stage, court's going to determine that the defendant is not here. We did receive notice from the court, mail and an email. All right. Mr. Zeuker, let me go ahead and swear you in. If you'll raise your right hand, and you'll need to unmute. You'll state your full name for me, please.
Matthew David Zeuker.
Understand by appearing in court and offering testimony, you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth under a penalty of perjury. Do you so swear?
I do.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll let in this last minute person who entered and see who they are. Good morning, this is Judge Holmes. Good morning, are you Mr. Manning?
Yes, I am. How are you, Judge Holmes?
I'm just fine. Who are you here to represent, sir?
I am representing, it was added. Let me see real quick. I have it pulled up. It's an HOA. The plaintiff is Matt Zucker, and
you are literally the hearing. I'm just calling. I swore Mr. Zeuker in, so you're right on time, Mr. Manning. Otherwise, it was going to be
great. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Bolden Creek is
representing. Are you representing Bolden? Or are you representing WRMC?
I'm representing Bolden.
Bolden. Okay, so there's no one here for WRMC.
No.
Okay. All right. Mr. Manning, thank you for being here. I have just sworn in Mr. Zeuker. As you were coming in, I was literally giving him his oath, and I was about to take testimony from him about why he believes the tow was improper.
Great. Your Honor, we also have attempted to confer over this past week. I've sent an email and tried to call him, and if we could confer prior to the hearing, we're looking to settle the matter anyway.
All right, Mr. Zeiker, are you interested in having a private conversation? We'd give you a breakout room via Zoom, so it'd just be the two of you. It sounds like they may want to give you money. You do not
Be
have to
with
do that,
the
Mr. Zeiker. You
scheduled hearing, if that's
absolutely
okay.
can just ask for a hearing and we can do that. But if you want a chance to talk to him, I'm happy to do that and then come back.
Judge, my video froze for just a moment there. Did you hear? I said I'd like to proceed with the scheduled hearing, but then the video froze as soon as I said that, so I didn't hear anything that you said after that.
Sure, no, Mr. Zeiger, that was my question was, if you'd like a chance to talk to plaintiff or to the defendant, you can, and then we come back and do the hearing, or we can just go straight to the hearing.
I guess I'd like to proceed with the hearing. If that's okay.
All right, Mr. Zeiger, what day was your car towed?
The car was towed on June 6, 2026.
Mr. Manning, is there any dispute here?
Your Honor, in the CCNRs, it does provide, it's section 4.27 of the CCNRs of Boulding Creek. It does provide that the private streets, they are private streets, they're not public. And it also does, we did have tow-away signs, and the car was parked there for quite a long time, and we did post a parking sign or to move the car sign on the window of the car. And I think it was parked there for about a month. And so we do dispute that it was a public street and that it was improperly towed. However, we understand that this is kind of a de minimis amount of money. And rather than moving forward with further litigation than this, we'd like to entertain these settlements, but that's where we are.
Okay. All right, Mr. Zeiger, where was your car parked on June 6th?
Judge, so I did submit a number of different exhibits. I'd just like to see if the court is, if that's visible to the court. So as I explain the exhibits.
Just tell me where you were parked. Were you in a street, in a
Okay,
parking lot,
yeah.
garage?
I was on the public roadway
You were
on
parked
the
on a
east
street.
side. Yeah, I
Okay.
was on the public roadway on the east side of South 2nd Street, right? Right in front of 909 and 911 South 2nd Street. So 900 South 2nd Street, the condominium community is on the west side of South 2nd Street. I was on the east side of South 2nd Street. And those are completely different properties. The tow sheet indicates that they towed me from 900 South 2nd Street, Bowling Court condos. I was not on their parking facility. I was not on any of their private property. And I was not blocking any driveways or drive aisles. And I have the exhibits to show. I did take photographs at the time I parked because I would just returned from the H-E-B grocery store, which I attached an exhibit for my grocery receipt with the date and timestamp.
Okay. Let me show some photos.
Sorry.
I know, I appreciate it. I'd rather you be more prepared than underprepared, right? Okay. Mr. Zeiger, I'm looking. Can you see my screen? I'm sharing a photo.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Did you take the photo that I'm looking at?
Yes, Judge. I took it on my iPhone.
All right. And is this your car?
Yes, Judge.
Was this before or after your car was towed?
That was before my car was towed. That
I mean, I
was
would
the
assume
place that I
so, but
parked.
Just I'm not
Yeah.
trying to check you up. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
why did you take a picture of your car before you, like, what was the reason you took a picture of your car?
To document the fact that I was parked on the public roadway.
Were you worried about
as-
being towed?
Well, I did submit another exhibit. I believe it was approximately May 21st that an orange sticker was placed on my car. But because I'm familiar with this street, it being South 2nd Street, a public road, I live at 900 South 1st Street, which is a condominium complex just to the north of this vehicle location where I park. So yes, in the background there. So I'm familiar that this is a public street. I've attached the,
Mr.
I've
Zeiger,
attached, yeah,
Mr. Zeiger,
yes, ma'am.
these are not photos of your car the day it was towed. These say June 2nd.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. Yeah,
So
so
these are photos you took of your car completely unrelated to being towed.
these are when I parked my vehicle on June 2nd, I took these photos and the vehicle remained parked there until it was towed on June 6th. So it remained
that-
parked in
okay,
this
so-
location. Is that to clarify?
These photos are from 4 days before your car was towed. They are not taken within an hour or so of being towed. These were taken 4 days prior.
Yes, ma'am, on June, yes, Judge, on June 2nd, because I
So
didn't
you're
move the
saying that
car.
On June 2nd, you parked your car here and you did not move it and it was towed on June 6th. Is that your testimony?
Yes,
Okay, and this is exactly how you left your car.
yes,
Okay.
those,
Parked
yes.
here. All right, Mr. Manning, any objection to these being photos of where the vehicle was parked at the time it was towed?
No, Your Honor, no objection. I do have a few dates. Reliant Towing Company did tag the car on May 22nd with a notice that it would be towed 2 weeks later.
All right, Mr. Manning, we'll get to the defense side. I'm just asking if sometimes I've had the plaintiff say, no, that's not at all where the car was towed, and then show me a different photo. You've looked at the photos of the tow. This appears to be where the car was parked when it was towed.
No objection.
Cool. Okay. Photos from the plaintiff. Good. You parked your car. You left it there. When did you discover your car was towed, Mr. Zeiker?
On June 6th.
And how did you find that out?
I have a air tag in my car, and I sporadically check it throughout the day, and I saw it moving southbound, and then I called the Austin PD, and they informed me that it was taken to a tow yard,
Okay.
to the Reliant Towing.
Prior to your car being towed on June 6th, had you received any warnings of any type related to you parking your vehicle?
Yes, Judge. I attached the exhibit of the orange sticker that was placed on my car.
When was that sticker discovered?
I believe it was May 21st.
Is that when you found out or when it was placed?
Yeah, that's when I went out and found it on my car. And I would like to just mention a couple things about the sticker, if that's okay, Judge. On the
Mr. Zeiker, before we get into that, after you found your car with the orange sticker, did you move your car?
between May 21st, yeah, because I went to the grocery store on June 2nd.
Cool.
So,
So
and
as you
multiple
testified
times before
earlier,
that.
in the photo you showed me, you drove your car and parked it on June 2nd in that spot and then didn't move it until it was towed.
Yes,
So anything that came from before that, kind of irrelevant because you'd already moved the car.
correct. Yeah,
Cool, then we can move along.
correct.
I'm not worried about the orange sticker.
Okay.
Between June 2nd and June 6th, had you been given any notice whatsoever that your car was going to be towed?
Between June 2nd and June
Yeah.
6th.
The date of the photo you showed me, you showed up, you parked your car. Did you receive any notice after you parked your car before you discovered the AirTag moving that your car was in danger of being towed?
No, Judge.
Have you gone back and inspected the location where you'd parked?
Yes, Judge, after being towed, I returned to South Second Street and I took additional photographs of the street, a wider view of the street, as well as the entrance of 900 South Second Street, which is the Bowling Court condominiums, and I supplied exhibits of
What
that.
day were those photos taken?
I'm sorry, Judge, what was that?
What day did you take that second set of photos?
On June 6th.
June 6th.
The same day that it was towed, I just
towed?
returned. Yeah, I returned right after picking up my car from the tow yard.
All right, let's take a look.
Yeah.
Photos after tow. I see those are labeled as such. Okay. I'm going to share my screen now. All right, Mr. Zeiker, do you recognize this photo?
Yes, Judge. Yeah.
Are these photos that you took on June 6th?
Yes, those are the after tow photos. And I
This is
wanted to
after?
highlight, yes, Judge, that's after, because I was just trying to highlight the placement of driveways, the edge of the roadway, the encroachment of the grasses and dirt and debris on the eastern side of the road. That's the west side of the roadway. Yeah, so that's the entrance on the west side of the roadway with the fire lane and the arrow pointing inward. And there's actually a one-way sign. It's not facing the camera here, but on additional photos, it shows it, where they only expect cars to go inbound on that particular entrance right there.
Okay, Mr. Manning, any objection to these photos? The inaccurate photos of where the car was parked?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Mr. Zeiger, what did it cost you to get your car back?
I paid cash for the tow and it was $321.45 at Reliant Towing.
I see that. All right. Yeah, okay. All right. Mr. Manning, what information would you like to show?
Your Honor, as I stated earlier, Reliant Towing did place a sticker on Mr. Zeiger's car on May 22nd. The next
moved
day,
it.
he moved it. And the association does maintain that the place where Mr. Zeiger parked.
Do you have any proof? I appreciate what you're saying. Association believes it's their private property. Do you have proof of that? Can you show me a deed that says this land is included on their land? Because it looks like a public street to me and there's absolutely no signage whatsoever around there.
Your Honor, I do not.
Okay, judgment for plaintiff, cost of court and 321 for your tow fee. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank y'all very much. Mr. Zeiger, be
Thank you,
careful out
Judge.
there. Mr. Manning, I understand it's all development. Life's good. Y'all have a nice afternoon.
Thank you.
Thank y'all
Thank
very
you,
much.
Judge.
We'll go to the next one.